Alright, so here's the fuck heap shit and the fuck heap shit. Small grip and rip, and that's what's up. I'm kind of fucking in that lean. Should we hit the Backstacks? Let's hit the Backstacks, and that's what's up. Fuck it. Let's see what we can do. Don't ask what your country can do for you. Ask what your country can do for the cat. And that's what's up. Let's hit the fucking Backstacks. In the woods. Because why the fuck not? Let's hit it up raw and fuck it up ugly, and that's what's up. I don't give a shit. And that's what's up. People forgot the cat does grip and rips. The cat goes to all the dangerous places. People tend to forget that the cat made his name on shit like this. First videos. Let's forget no more, baby. Shit, the goddamn fucking Backstacks. And that's what's up. I can't believe people forgot who the fuck I am. That I'm that motherfucker. But that motherfucker I am, and that's what's up. You forget about me. Well, let's see if there's anything in the fuck heap for the cat. They tend to forget who I am. They think I'm some scaredy motherfucker. Satchel. But I ain't that dude. And we're gonna see what the fuck's going on here. There's been some activity. That cat's armed and dangerous and armed. And that's what's up. Let's sneak past this shit. Metal Gear Solid. Solid Snake with my Solid Snake, and that's what's up. Let's see what's going on in the Backstacks. Maybe there's nothing, and I gotta turn back around. And turn around the cat will. If it's old and boring, I'm gone. If it's boring and old, I'm gone, dude. Hit it from the Backstacks. And that's what's up. Let's see if anything's different here. No change. And that's what's up. People forget who I am. I'm the cat. I do this shit daily. But I ain't been this way in a minute. But there's nothing new. There's nothing new here, guys. Since I cleared the Backstacks, there's nothing new. So fuck a chicken nugget for all the glory. I checked it out. And what's up is not what's up. So it's about to rain. And I gotta go see my wife. Make sure she's okay. She knows every time the cat comes out this way, he could be killed. And she's accepted it. Because she knows the cat's gonna do what the cat's gonna do. I do it for me. I do it for you. Hats off to all you mofros. But there's nothing new here. So alright. This is gonna be the end of the video. And I think I finally got a fucking butterfly, and that's what's up. And now I see the badger, the fucking possum, And the fucking woodpecker, which is the bitchiest bitch of all, and that's what's up. So I love you guys. You know what? I'm stuck here another fucking month. And that's not what's up. Look at this shit. How many clothes can people wear? And that's what's up. And Satchel. That's stupid. Anyways, well, thank you for joining me from the Backstacks, where we do what we gotta do to get through, to get what we gotta get through. So I love you guys. Stay strong, stay safe, stay positive. Come up with a plan. Make it a damn good plan. Have a damn good backup plan. Have a damn good safety net plan. Have a damn good what's up plan. And that's what's up. From the cat. So I love you guys. And we'll see you back here for more. And that's what's up. Have a good day, people. Tom Cat, oh!